let us try to again understand what is the truth. Let me expose truth through the father of Paramahansa Yogananda, Bhagavati Charan Ghosh. When he was at 14 years old, 14 years old, then he saw some important incidents in the Bengal near Calcutta. There is Sundarban. There was a pond, water pond, but pond was dry. The king was living nearby. He thought if he can dig the pond and get the water, then all animals and birds, they will have water. Then he started digging that pond. When he go very deep, after that he found 7 persons were sitting in meditation. Body was dead, but there was no bad smell. There was no swelling in the body. There was no mold, nothing. Just like a state of preservation. Then all 7 bodies were taken to the palace. And many persons were called. Somebody told his body's life is 200 years old. But I don't believe in this because there is no any carbon data proof. But it is written that somebody discovered that 200 years old body is. Okay, all right. Then what happens next? Somebody said they are in samadhi. If you put warm water on the head and make a sound in the ear, then he can come out from the samadhi. Then somebody said, no, warm water will have no effect. Put little hot water. When hot water was poured, they awake. And these saints, they become very angry. Why you disturb me? I want to remain in that state more. You did bad karma. He became very angry, and after that, the left body means traditional death. The body underwent in decay condition. Body decayed, putrefaction came, bad smell came, and it was cremated. After that, that king family may be through the psychosomatic sickness, maybe with internal fear. We cannot say anything in detail, but suffered a lot. It means there is a condition when you can take your body in certain stage, which is called death. Then you experience what is the truth. Truth is this: there is no death, there is immortality. There are immortals, mortals, mortality never exists. But to experience that truth, you have to transform this body, you have to convert this body into the death mode. This is called Savikalp Samadhi. But in that Samadhi you cannot walk. You cannot work with this body. There is a higher Samadhi in that you can work, you can talk, but still you can experience the same. There is no death. There is no mortality. There is only immortal consciousness, immortality. All right. Let us think a seed. When seed is transformed into big tree, you cannot say seed is dead. Seed is transformed into the tree. Again come to the tree. Tree is able to produce many seeds. In each seed, similar structure is packed. Not only one seed, tree is able to make many seeds. It means tree is having perfect knowledge how to convert his form into many forms like small seeds. And those seeds are capable to transform themselves in the form of tree again. We have the same power, but we never use that power because we are busy to accumulate the sense pleasure. We are busy by using our mind and reasoning to keep on thinking and thinking, which increases distance. We like reasoning power, which increases distance. We do not like suspend reasoning power, which brings unity. Because this is the nature of blind mind. Blind mind always accepts thought of division. Therefore, we are not having great desire to experience that stage, how to live with the truth when you are working. In the deep sleep, we are experiencing truth, but we are in deep sleep. When we are awake, that truth disappears. What was the truth? There is no any difference in gender, age, academics, nationality, nothing. But when you are awake, that truth disappears. Therefore, let us decide, if we are really have great desire to enter into nirvikalpa samadhi and help the people, help the animal kingdom, plant kingdom, then you will do it. But you are having more desire in finding fault in others. We use our intellect and mind how to create a thought of division, and we accept we like it. It means that you have not decided. Therefore, practice Kriya Yoga sincerely. Never try to entertain a thought, an idea, which increases distance between you and knowledge and power and peace and immortality, or any thought which increases distance between us, between any of two, because that thought will never allow you to enter into nirvikalpa samadhi. If you have great desire, you can do it. If you have less desire, it will take time. Practice Kriya Yoga again and again. One day you will get the same idea and thought what you are listening.